Okay, ladies, let's get into it. A quick tutorial on how to properly remove your lace. Y'all, it's the summer. It's still part of Hot Girl Summer, and we saving our edges. So let's get into it. Using C22 is what I just showed. You want to make sure you saturate your lace from one side to another. Make sure you get where the corner of your ears is. That's normally where the glue sticks at the longest. Saturate it, ladies, from one side to another. Make sure you soak the lace with this C22. Then you want to start using a rat tail comb to stick up under the lace. It should be very easy to remove because the glue at this point is like a ooze. Work your way from side to side. Take your time. You want to repeat this step with the stocking cap as well. With this stocking cap, make sure you soak it. That's very important because by now the stocking cap has slid back on your edges. And this is where you make sure you take your time to take it off. If it's a little rough to do, make sure you put more C22. Ha! The set it off braids. Y'all, as you can see, I'm holding my son Real Mom Teas. Next, get 91% alcohol and clean your forehead. Papa don't let me do nothing. Y'all hear me? Nothing. If you're a mom, you know. Next, you want to start taking out your cornrows. That's it, y'all. Protect those edges at all costs.